Yeah, I'm ready. Start whenever. You're gonna waste your time, and I'm going to earn $50. Come on, lay it on me. A feather. You're joking, right? I don't think I've met anyone in my life who was like actually allergic to feathers. Yeah, go ahead. Like, you can brush it up there if you want. I'm not allergic. Allergic? Hey, careful. Phew. Okay, no, that doesn't count. You were literally tickling my nose with it. That's not an allergy. That's you trying to worm your way out of the bed. Come on. What's next? Dust. Yeah, easy. That makes me cough, not sneeze. Go ahead. So are you just gonna... Oh shit. Oh my god, that's everywhere. God, it's really a lot of it, isn't it? Phew. Phew. Oh my god. Did you fucking hear me the first time? I'm not allergic. No. You threw it in my face. That would make anyone sneeze. Whatever. Let's just move to the next one. Oh my god. Did you buy that whole bouquet just for this? Okay, here, let me take it this time. Oh, they're so sweet. And really, really strong. What variety are these again? Oh, yeah. I like them. Yeah, it must have been the light from the window earlier. These really are pretty, though. It would be such a shame if I was allergic to them. But as you can obviously see, I'm not. Achoo. Achoo. Alright, sure, maybe strong scents can make me sneeze, but that's not an allergy. As far as I'm concerned, I'm still 3 for 0, and you only have one more before you fork it over. What is that? I told you I'm not allergic to dust. Oh, cats? Alright, wait, don't, wait, no, oh god, achoo, 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 achoo. No, I'm not paying you. You had your show already.